you a taxpayer?
Certainly I am. I have been paying my onus to pay taxes regularly.
Is the system of tax working in Pakistan is convenient?
It is not at all convenient. It has so many complications, and I believe a layman could not at all handle it. So therefore professionals are quite necessary to handle such kind of laws, as it is a special law. So it requires understanding, rather deep understanding of laws.
Which type of tax is better in your opinion, direct or indirect?
From a taxpayer point of view, I think indirect taxes are very lethal, whereas from government point of view, indirect taxes are cost efficient. So I would favor that indirect taxes must be reduced.
Tax rates imposed by government are satisfactory or higher?
Certainly they are higher. The rates are very higher, and they should reduce it, and they should rather go to enhance the base of tax.
The general public can easily pay tax regarding the rates. Do you think is the system working in Pakistan is supportive to general public?
Certainly people have a lot of money to pay taxes. Government is poor in Pakistan, whereas people are rich, and excluding if you exclude poor people from this tax regime, tax system, then the rest of the people are able to pay taxes. The taxes must be imposed.
So what's your opinion regarding the indirect taxes? Example, the students are they are non-salary person, but they are paying tax whenever they charge their mobile phones, and the government deducting taxes 15% on the
the 15% is with the sale tax.
Yes.
Right? It is imposed irrespective of the fact you earn or not. The government is interested in collecting the money. So, but I am in the favor that the students and poor people must be immuned. They must be given exemptions, so that they could have better money in their pocket.
Do you think is there any system to collect taxes from politicians or elite class?
Certainly, the taxes are levied on everyone who is earning money above the slab rates. People are paying money, paying taxes.
But don't you think so कि पाकिस्तान में जो elite class है और जो ये politicians हैं, they are not paying the taxes?
नहीं, ये आपकी बात ठीक है कि वो ट्विस्ट कर लेते हैं इसको. ये लॉ जो है, ये मोम की नाक है, उसको जिधर चाहें वो उधर को ट्विस्ट कर लेते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो टैक्सेस तो दे रहे हैं, पे कर रहे हैं, somehow or other पे तो हो रहे हैं.
बैक एंड पे कोई ना कोई कर तो रहे हैं, लेकिन
करते हैं, लेकिन वो बात ये है कि उनके पास पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा है. पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा है, उस लिहाज से वो टैक्स देते नहीं है. लेकिन एक बात मैं कहना यही चाहूँगा कि इनके पास जितनी मनी जो है वो ब्लैक मनी है, उसकी बेस में ब्लैक मनी है, और फिर गवर्नमेंट जो है वो एग्जाम्पशन दे देती है, इम्यूनिटी स्कीम्स चला देती है, एमनेस्टी स्कीम्स चला देती है कि भाई आप ने जहाँ से मर्जी से पैसा कमाया, हमें उससे गर्ज नहीं है, आप आएँ और 2% दें और उसको वाइट कर लें. तो आप ये देखें, ये जो है ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. लोग एक वो बंदा जो रेगुलरली टैक्सेस पे कर रहा है वो तो फारग हो गया ना, वो तो डिस्करेज हो गया, वो तो उसकी तो मोटिवेशन लेवल 0 पे चली गई. तो इस तरह की एमनेस्टी स्कीम्स नहीं आनी चाहिए, बल्कि सिस्टम को साउंड करना चाहिए कि जो बंदा जहाँ से इनकम जनरेट कर रहा है उसे वहीं पे पकड़ लें, उससे टैक्स लें. टैक्सेस जो है इनके बगैर कोई गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम चल नहीं सकता.
You mean at source deduction?
नहीं, एट सोर्स भी हो, और दूसरा जो तरीकाकार जो मुरवजा हैं उनके साथ भी होनी चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट जो है वो बहुत सारे तरीकों से टैक्स कलेक्ट कर रही है, डिडक्शन हो रही है, कलेक्शन हो रही है, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. सरकार जो है वो काम कर रही है अपना.
So why most of the people don't pay tax in Pakistan?
वो इसलिए कि देखिए जी, we don't have tax culture in Pakistan. We are actually dissatisfied. We are of the notion that our tax money is not properly used. The money is spent on the luxuries of the officials and the rulers. So people are dissatisfied. They are least interested, and they are you see they are ignited when they see that the people are enjoying so much protocol and so much lavish lifestyle. So this must be discouraged, and people sitting at high echelons should set example by adopting simple way of living, so that people must be encouraged.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time.
Please.